Hey folks, this is Topher with another Draw Attention video. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of your layout options, as well as a few more color options. Now you'll note in the right sidebar, there's a layout box, and the default is Tooltip. Let me show you what that looks like. When you hover, you just get the hover glow, but when you click, you get this pop-up box. Now these colors, this mint green and the brown, come from general settings. So there's your mint green, there's your brown and the text color. And I will show you how you can easily change those with the color schemes in just a second. But next I want to show you Lightbox, which is similar but different. So now when you hover, not only do you get the glow, but you get the title. And then when you click, you get a large box like this. Now, this is where you would strongly benefit from changing these colors. Maybe this not brown on black. But I will leave the colors up to you because I'm not a color guy. However, if we select a theme and go to America and update, then we get this nice red and blue. Nice if you like it. I like it. And it's much easier to read. But let's take a look at some of the others. There's a top layout. And by default, it puts the title of the Draw Attention post at the top. You'll note that it says desktop right here. Then when you click on something, it replaces that with what was in the tooltips or the lightbox. And then if you click again, it makes it go away. The only thing I don't like about this is that it does make your image jump around a little bit. So let's look at some other options. You put it on the bottom. It says desktop at the bottom. And when you click, the image does not jump around. However, if you have a bunch of content down below, that's going to get pushed down. Let's take a look at right and left also. Now the image is slightly smaller because some of the horizontal space is being taken up by this sidebar. But if we click, we get the same information. Now, even though it looks a little narrow in this layout, the image actually takes up all available space. So if I got rid of this sidebar, this image would get much, much bigger. And if I had less padding, it would also get much bigger. So don't judge the width of this image on my particular layout and design here. Let me show you the other side real quick. I'll bet you can imagine what it looks like. And then the one last thing I want to show you is that the general settings colors did get affected here by changing the theme. So you can adjust them yourself or you can use the theme.